Hello all, in this new video we are going to make the assembly drawing. So I'm going to select, so first of all I will select this one. Okay, tie vertically. So I'm not using this one till yet. I will not use this one. So now I have to go here. We are making assembly drawing. That what? Okay, I will tell you guys. In previous video I prepared the necessary product that which is needed for the Clevis pin assembly. So now in this video we'll make the assembly drawing, and then after making assembly I will save it in in a compatible form which is acceptable in ANSYS, and then I will just simulate it. So guys, you have to make your Catia toolbar, that in such a way, just arrange in such a way that you can it will be visible whenever you enter this windows. So I already set my command here that I need this existing component, coincidence, contact and offset command. So I will select here and go to product, and this yoke part, first part. So now you have to go to this fixed component and select this one and okay. Now this is now fixed. So now first go to select this fixed component, go to product. Now I want the another part, that is U-shape part. Okay guys, so it is here. So you can just you cannot move like in Catia in part assembly guys. So you to move it, you have to go just string manipulation. This is in X direction. Now I want to rotate it in this axis, not in this guys, to rotate in. Okay, I will go again this string manipulation. Now okay, no problem. Again what I have to do is it has to be moved in this. What is this? Okay, now I will do it now. Just go to string manipulation again, and I want to move it in X direction. In which direction? Y direction. Okay, in Z direction. Okay, I want it in this way, and then X. So now it will come in this way because I want to coincide this part and this part. So now I want to just go here, and now okay, what I have to do is just go to this coincident constraint and this pop-up and this pop-up. I want to coincident this, and do not forget to update. Okay, now it is coincidence. So now after this I will select this what this is called contact constraint. So I will select this surface. Okay, and this surface, and do not forget to use coincidence command. Okay guys, so now okay, what you have to do is Okay, then to make this straight, I will select coincident command, this command, and okay, how can I see this part? Okay, this as a coincidence. Okay, now it is okay, no problem, guys. I'll just make this to, I will just use this coincidence command to make this is as a in a straight manner. Okay, I will go constraint. Okay, I will delete this constraint now. So now my purpose is to make it exactly with parallel with this two part, so that the whole can coincide exactly. So now I have to, now after that I have to go this existing command again and go to product. Now I have to insert the pin. Where is the pin for the Clevis pin mechanism? Okay, now here is the pin. Now I have to use this one. It is not rotating in its one axis, so I have to go here, and if you want to move in Z direction you have to go here, and if you want again I want to move in X direction here, so that now I will just move it little in Y direction. Okay, so now what you have to do is, guys, that select this constant part, select this center line, and go to update. Okay, now what you have to do is go to constraint and select this one, and what I have to select this one. Okay, go to this command. What is happening, guys? Now select. Okay, I'm selecting this one. Okay, no problem. I'm selecting this hole and this hole. Okay, no problem. And okay, I have only two. Okay, Control Z. I have to select this one, and this one. This content is fully redundant. Okay, no problem. Coincide, I already use it. Okay, no problem, guys. So that now what I have to do is select this one and just select this part and this part. Okay, no problem, guys. Don't forget to just use coincidence command. Now what you have to do is come babu. No problem here. Here is my friend, guys. He is here with guitar. You want to learn guitar from me. Okay, now what you have to do is go to this offset command, select this one. Okay, from here this constraint is fully redundant with this. Okay, no problem, guys. So okay, I don't need to do this. Coincidence is very necessary, so I'll use this one. So I will go offset command. Just I'm deleting that contact constraint. Okay, guys, delete your contact constraint. Where to delete? I already know that. I already tell you guys, go to constraint, and whichever you want to delete, you can delete. Okay, select this one and this upper part, and give this as a okay. In what is the distance here? So it is 20, it is 15. and its whole size is 80. So from here, okay, I'll zoom it, no problem guys. So from here, from this part from here to here, it is 30, it is 20, 50, 50 plus 15, 65, 65 minus 80, 15. Okay guys, now upper part is 15, no problem, I will give 15. Okay, and then don't forget to use update command. So now I'll show you guys. Okay, no problem. Here is our, okay, I will use this cascade command. So here is your, I'll just zoom it. So if you are new in my video, please do like, subscribe and my channel guys. Okay, so here,
please guys, do like, subscribe and
so
share.
this is our drawing, this is our assembly drawing, and what we have to do and going to do is this we made here. So no problem guys. So thank you. If you like my videos, please do subscribe, and thank you guys. And what how to save it? Okay guys, I'll tell you guys how to save it. If you want to make in next video I will make the simulation also. So how to make simulation and how to import the file from the your 3D file from the Catia to ANSYS. So you have to so that you can import this Catia 3D design to the ANSYS. So for this to import, you have to save, always save this assembly, Clevis pin assembly, Clevis pin assembly. Okay, I am just saving this 3D part in Catia product. So now I also save another file in which this STP form, so that I can import on ANSYS while doing my simulation. Okay, thank you all. In next video we will do some contact analysis on it. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you all guys.